So hello everyone. As we discussed in the previous class about the file handling, okay. So as there are three modes under which we can open a file, okay. So there are three modes. There are three modes as we know that to open the file, okay. So one is read only mode. One is called read only mode, okay. And as the second one we have the write only mode, that will be the write only mode, and the third one, that is we have the append mode, okay. So these are the three modes we can use for only for the opening the file, that is for open a file, okay. So as you know that when you go for opening a file, there are some manipulated member functions we are using, okay. So as manipulated member functions are 4, okay. So we call it as manipulations, okay. So manipulated using the member functions, manipulated using the member functions. So as there are 4 member functions, one is called seek kg, okay, and second function, that is we have seek kp, and third member function we are using tell g, and fourth one we are using tell p. These are the 4 member functions we are using, okay. So as the first one, that is seekg, this member function which is move the get pointer to a specified location, we are using the get pointer to a specified location. So that time we are using what? This seekg function, okay, from the beginning of the file. And there are 2 types here when you go for this seekg, as there are 2 types. One is called seekg with the long, okay, and another one with the offset with particular seek directory, seek dir. So as we can use with the 2 specified locations and 2 types here. One is called seekg long as, and the seekg offset, seekg your dir, okay. So as here we are using the offset. This offset is the number of bytes. So how many bytes it will take, as actually it will take the long only, okay. And when you go for the seek directory, it will move from the seek dir particular position. So when you go to the example, for particular example, inf dot seekg 20, if I write this one, so as it will point, this gives you the points to the 20th byte in a file from with the 0th byte, okay. So from the 20th byte, it points to the 20th byte in the file from the 0th byte. So this is the seekg. So in the seek direction, so when you go for the seek direction constant, there are some 3 constants we are using, okay. In the seek direction, we call it as seek direction constants. Seek direction constants. So as we are using defined in the these 3, there are 3 we are using constants. These 3 constants are defined in the iOS class. Defined in the iOS class. Okay. So as first one, iOS with the beginning, then iOS with the current, then iOS with the your particular, as if you are using end. So as this offset in the specified from the beginning of the file, first one, and the second one is specified offset from the current position, and this one specified the offset from the end of the file. Okay, so these three constants we are using in the case of seek kb, seek kg. So as we can write the example here, inf dot, okay, seek kg. Okay, so as we can use the buffer, okay, means your offset, then you can use whatever the constant you want to, as I will use here beginning, so it will be with your from the beginning of the file. So like this you can use current and the end of the file. So this is the first manipulator member function, that is we are using seek kg. Okay, and the second one so this is important as for we are using for the get and put functions. Okay, there is a second one, that is seek kp, seek kp member function. Okay, so here it will move the put pointer, it will move the put pointer to the specified location, to the specified location. So in the case of seek kg we are using get pointer, here we have to use the put pointer, and it is also from the beginning of the files. So here also it specified two types. Okay, so one, that is with the seek kp long as we written earlier, and again with the seek kp with the offset and with your directory, that is seek k dir. Okay, and you can write again the example with the same, but here it will be with your seek kg, seek kp with the 20 bytes. Okay, so if you want to use any mode again, for if you want to use beginning or current or end, so you can write again any example, but here you have to use seek kp. Okay, so 0 you can use again the beginning of the file. Okay, so here it will be put pointer, in the seek kg we are using the get pointer. Okay, so these are the two member functions. And the next one, there is a third member function, that is we are using telg. Okay, this telg and telp, these are used in the if stream class. Okay, as you know that, so this telg and telp is the used in the class if stream. Okay, so we have first one as the third one, that is telg. So this used the if stream class provides the member function telg. So we are using the if stream class. Okay, so if stream class is used for this telg. Okay, and it returns what? It returns the current position of a get pointer. It returns the current position. It returns the current position of a get pointer. Should remember this point. So as we are using the telg, it will return using the get pointer. So as they are given, the syntax is like this. Okay, so it may be any position. Okay, from that position you have to get it. Okay, so that is the position. As we are using the fin, fin position is equal to fin dot your tell G. We are using tell G. So this tell G gives you the current position. It returns the current position of a get pointer. And as the last one, that is the fourth one, that is we are using tell P. Okay, so this is also includes in the if stream class. This is also the if stream class only. Okay, and here it returns the current position of the put pointer. Returns the current position of a put pointer. Okay, so again the syntax is here for the in the first case tell G, you are using the what with returning the get, but here we are using with the put. Okay, means it will return the put pointer. Again int position. Okay, so as position is equal to fin dot tell P. If you use tell G, then it will be current position, return the current position with the get pointer. But if you use the tell P, it will what with the returns the current position with the put pointer. So these are the four manipulated member functions. Okay, we are using in the file handling. Okay, so as we are reading mode, writing mode and appending mode, so these four are used in the member functions. Thank you very much.